Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is hummus. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. And to make this dish is simplicity itself. Simply put all the ingredients listed into a food processor and blend into a fine paste. How hard can that be? Then next you add a splash of water, tablespoon at a time, until the right consistency you want is achieved. And then you're finished. And you should have something that looks like this. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. And hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now.